We have a pretty warm day, no rain, no snow, so we're going to go make some Skylights.
We've made up some very simple plans on a napkin while we were having lunch yesterday.
We hashed out all the issues and problems we could find and what was going to work best.
We talked a lot about having skylights in the beginning when we started doing some ideas for our design.
The side windows are all tinted. It gets really dark inside here.
And then we were really anxious about cutting any holes in the roof after we had the leaking.
We've checked out a lot of different YouTube videos about skylights and different kinds of skylights and the marine hatches, and people do it in different ways. And I've seen other people saying like they were so scared to cut the holes and then they realized like you just gotta get used to it and do it and figure out how to seal it up and you'll be fine. There's what? There's the fan that has to go in, there's the water. You're gonna have to make a few more holes. So we may as well get started.
For our skylights, we're going to be using 2x4s to build wooden frames inside of our metal bus framing. We're going to be using some polycarbonate, which is 100 times stronger than glass, to be replacing the metal of a couple areas in our bus. How's the moat looking today?
Mostly dry. Still not going to step on it. I think it's a little bit muddy.
Let's get some measurements.
So this is our kitchen area and we want to put two skylights in, one over here and one over here between the beams of the bus. Our roof is slightly curved, so we're going to first start cutting our wooden frame with the curved line of the bus.
Yeah, that's pretty good. It's snug. Just a little bit of an arc. Most unglorious unboxing video ever. Ta-da! Archie, Archie.
Is that what you want to say?
Huh?
Is that what you want to say? Archie, Archie.
Let's see if it fits. Okay. So we can keep it flush with the ribs. Real close, so much better.
So that first one was a bit of an experiment for us, trying to figure out how to make it fit with all the seams of the beam. So we have simplified things a little bit and I think we have a better plan now. So hopefully after our experiment, these next ones will just go great. Okay, front driver. This is part of the frame that's in the curved line of the bus. We had to cut out a little bit on either side of our frame. That's where the beam of the bus is riveted to the roof, so we needed to allow some space for that. So this is a side piece. This one didn't need a curve because the side piece is not curved. But we did have to cut out a little lip here again for where the beam is riveted to the roof.
We've got our frames cut, the notches out of them. And now I'm gonna square them off, drill some pilot holes, add some glue between each of the wood connections, and then screw them together.
Tall enough. Is it snug?
It is. It actually fits really well. Gotta build the other one.
It's supposed to rain on and off for the next week, so...
Terrible weather for cutting a hole in your roof.
Frame number 2. We managed to make 2 amazing wooden frames for our skylights.
Could have just gone to the frame store and bought some frames.
No, we couldn't. It's such a slight curve to go with the curve in the ceiling that fits nice and snug now, so if it was flat it wouldn't fit against the roof nicely. So you may have noticed that we have a little bus build mascot. Barn Kitty has decided she's gonna live here. I don't know where she came from. We think she lived in a barn somewhere else, but she loves it when we work on the bus build. I'm sure you're gonna see her walking all around in every video.
And we definitely see her paw prints in and out of the bus floor right now.
Yeah, it's not so bad.
No. So until we know we have a good 3 clear days with 0 chance of rain or snow, the Skylight project will be on hold.
Yeah. With an evening of no rain in the forecast, now is our chance to paint and seal the Skylight frames.
It's finally time to face our fears and cut a hole into the roof.
Never a dull moment in a bus build.
One learning adventure after another.
Time to take the wrapper off and get this baby ready to become a real skylight.
Might be overkill, but just want to make sure we have a sealed up roof.
We are thrilled with how this skylight came out, and we're happy to report that it has no leaks. We made a skylight, a DIY skylight, and we really love it. In fact, we're gonna make a second one. And we thought we'd just break down the steps and show you what we did. But we'll share that with you next time.